Kurumirira uiguano wa miario gatagati ka ministry ya githomo, ministry ya kigina, kiama kia arigitani na kamite ya arimu arigitani. Riu kiama kia arigitani nikio KMPDU nigitikirite kurugamia mugomo uria ukwirigiirwo kwambiriria umuthi niguo kuhe ministry icio ihinda riganu ria kuhingia mateta maria maikitio ni arimu arigitani arigitani mathukuru-ini ma university guuku bururi-ini.
Okay, ready.
Gitongoretio ni mwandiki munene wakio Ouma Oluga. Kiama giki ni kiugite miario iria ikoretwo igitafanio kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri hituku ni rathie na mbere na guciara matunda. Na uguo ni gitikirite kumahe ihinda riria ministry icio cietitie niguo kugiririria mugomo ucio.
So this morning, in the interest of their request and in the interest of the public, the Vice Chancellor's Committee and the Minister of Education did request that we give them a further 2 weeks. And we have deliberated with ourselves. We have also deliberated with them. And we thus are suspending the strike notice for those 2 weeks.
As a preparation for the actual day of the full-scale strike, we shall begin to slowly withdraw our services. And beginning today, we are climbing down systematically. At the expiry of the 14 days, we shall then be on strike on full scale. And our strike involves total and absolute withdrawal of services.
Kiama giki ni kiuritie arimu othe arigitani mathukuru-ini macio gucemanagia o wakana nginyanagia mateta mao mathikiririo.
And then introducing a new demand, which we did tell them on the table, that if we are to give you a further 2 weeks, then it means that now we are not just going to be talking about payment of these allowances, we are also going to be saying pay the allowances and the arrears by the closure of March payroll. That is by 14th of March.
Notithi ya mugomo wa arimu arigitani yaheanitwo kiambiriria-ini kia mweri uyu kuria arimu acio marenda kuheagwo njoherera cia maundu ma hi na hi na cia mogwati maria mangiumira wira-ini wao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwangi.